Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that life is a journey filled with peaks and valleys, successes and setbacks. At times, we find ourselves on top of the world, riding high on the waves of our achievements. But inevitably, there are moments when we are knocked down, when circumstances conspire against us, and when it feels like the world has turned its back on us. Today, I am here to remind you that no matter how many times you fall, it is time for your comeback. It is time to rise, reclaim your power, and show the world what you are truly made of. Throughout history, some of the most inspiring figures have faced immense adversities and yet made incredible comebacks. Consider the story of Nelson Mandela. After spending 27 long years in prison, he emerged not with a heart full of bitterness, but with a vision of reconciliation and unity for South Africa. His comeback was not just personal. It was a catalyst for profound change that inspired millions around the globe. Mandela's resilience and unyielding spirit remind us that no matter how deep the valley, we can always find a path to the peak. Similarly, think of J.K. Rowling, who, before the success of Harry Potter, was a struggling single mother living on welfare. Rejected by numerous publishers, she could have easily given up. Instead, she chose to persevere. Her story is a testament to the power of belief in oneself, the importance of persistence, and the magic of a well-timed comeback. Today, her books have sold over 500 million copies, bringing joy and inspiration to readers of all ages. Each of us has our own unique story, our own set of challenges and setbacks. But what unites us all is the capacity for a comeback. No matter how far you have fallen, no matter how dire your circumstances may seem, there is always a way back. The road may be tough, the journey may be long, but the destination, a triumphant return to your best self, is worth every step. So, how do we begin this journey of a comeback? It starts with a decision to refuse to be defined by your failures, to refuse to be limited by your past, and to refuse to give up on yourself. This decision requires courage, for it means stepping out of your comfort zone, facing your fears, and embracing the unknown. But remember, the greatest growth happens outside of our comfort zones. It is in the challenges that we find our strength, in the struggles that we discover our resilience. Next, we must cultivate a mindset of resilience and positivity. This means reframing our setbacks as opportunities for growth, viewing failures as stepping stones to success, and believing in our ability to overcome any obstacle. Resilience is not about never falling down. It is about getting back up every time we do. It is about having the tenacity to keep moving forward, even when the path is unclear and the destination seems distant. One powerful example of resilience is Michael Jordan, widely regarded as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. Before achieving legendary status, Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Instead of letting this setback define him, he used it as motivation to work harder and prove himself. His story is a powerful reminder that setbacks are not the end. They are simply the beginning of a comeback. Jordan's relentless determination and work ethic propelled him to 6 NBA championships and 5 MVP awards, cementing his legacy as an icon of perseverance and success. As we embark on our comebacks, we must also be willing to learn and grow from our experiences. Every setback carries with it valuable lessons, if only we are willing to listen. Reflect on what went wrong, understand the factors that contributed to your fall, and use this knowledge to build a stronger foundation for your future. Remember, the only true failure is the failure to learn from our mistakes. Consider the story of Thomas Edison, the prolific inventor who famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison's journey to inventing the light bulb was fraught with countless failures, but each one brought him closer to success. His unwavering belief in his vision and his ability to learn from each setback enabled him to illuminate the world, literally and figuratively. Edison's story teaches us that persistence, coupled with a willingness to learn, is the key to a triumphant comeback. In addition to learning from our experiences, we must also seek support from those around us. No one succeeds alone, and the journey of a comeback is no exception. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, who encourage you, and who challenge you to be your best self. Lean on your support system in times of doubt and draw strength from their faith in your potential. Together, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve the extraordinary. The journey of a comeback also requires patience and perseverance. It is easy to become disheartened when progress seems slow or when obstacles continue to arise. But remember, every great comeback is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires consistent effort, unwavering determination, and a belief that the best is yet to come. Stay focused on your goals, celebrate your small victories, and keep moving forward, one step at a time. Consider the story of Oprah Winfrey, who overcame a tumultuous childhood marked by poverty and abuse to become one of the most influential media moguls in the world. Her path was not easy, and she faced numerous setbacks along the way. But through it all, she remained committed to her vision and her purpose. Oprah's journey is a testament to the power of perseverance and the belief that no matter where you start, it is possible to achieve greatness. As you navigate your own comeback, remember that it is never too late to start anew. Age, circumstances, and past failures do not define your future. What matters is the present moment and the choices you make today. Embrace the power of now, take control of your destiny, and commit to creating the life you envision. Think of Colonel Harlan Sanders, the founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC. At the age of 65, after being rejected by over 1,000 restaurants, Sanders could have easily given up on his dream. Instead, he persisted, and his recipe for fried chicken eventually became a global sensation. Sanders' story reminds us that it is never too late for a comeback and that success can come at any stage of life. In your journey, also remember to be kind to yourself. Self-compassion is crucial in the process of a comeback. Acknowledge your efforts, forgive your mistakes, and celebrate your progress. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer a friend. Your journey is unique, and your comeback will unfold in its own time and in its own way. Consider the story of Bethany Hamilton, a professional surfer who lost her arm in a shark attack at the age of 13. Despite this life-altering event, she was determined to return to the sport she loved. Through sheer determination, resilience, and self-compassion, Bethany made an incredible comeback and went on to achieve numerous surfing accolades. Her story is a powerful reminder that even in the face of unimaginable challenges, we have the strength to rise and reclaim our dreams. Consider the journey of Arnold Schwarzenegger, who overcame immense odds to achieve success in bodybuilding, acting, and politics. Born in a small village in Austria, Arnold dreamed of becoming a world champion bodybuilder. Through visualization, relentless training, and unwavering determination, he achieved his dream and went on to become a Hollywood superstar and the governor of California. His story illustrates the power of visualization and the belief that with hard work and persistence, anything is possible. Consider the journey of Serena Williams, one of the greatest tennis players of all time. After facing numerous injuries and setbacks, Serena consistently set clear goals for her comeback, working tirelessly to achieve them. Her determination and focus on her goals enabled her to return to the top of her sport, winning numerous Grand Slam titles. Serena's story is a powerful example of how clear goals and unwavering commitment can lead to a triumphant comeback. As you pursue your goals, stay open to opportunities and remain adaptable. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes the path to your comeback may take unexpected turns. Embrace these moments with an open mind and a willingness to explore new possibilities. Consider the story of Steve Jobs, who was ousted from Apple, the company he co-founded, only to return years later to lead it to unprecedented success. During his time away from Apple, Jobs founded Next and acquired Pixar, both of which played crucial roles in his eventual comeback. His journey highlights the importance of adaptability and the ability to seize new opportunities, even in the face of adversity. In your pursuit of a comeback, stay true to your values and principles. Let your integrity guide your actions and decisions. A comeback built on a foundation of honesty, respect, and authenticity is one that will stand the test of time. Stay grounded in your values and let them be your compass as you navigate the challenges and opportunities ahead. Thank you.